Hi everyone, it's Agnieszka Murdoch from 5 Minute Language. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So today's video is about Polish. I'm going to share with you my top 25 Polish words and phrases that you need to know if you're learning about Polish and if you're serious about it. So we're going to start with the basics, basically saying hello, saying goodbye, and using all the basic phrases that you will need in everyday conversations. So let's get started. So the first one is cześć. It's quite a tricky one, I know, and quite a difficult one to start with. I should have probably started with something easier, but cześć is something that you definitely need to know when you're learning Polish. It kind of sounds like the English word chest, except it's a little bit softer in terms of the two final sounds. So it's cześć, and it basically means hi or hello. Another way to say hello in Polish is dzień dobry, and that essentially means good morning. So you can use that during the day. It means both good morning and good afternoon. Dzień dobry. And then finally, when you're saying hello in the evening, you can say dobry wieczór, which means good evening. Dobry wieczór. Okay, time to say goodbye. So the word cześć that I've just shared with you to say hello also means goodbye. So you can use it both for greeting somebody and for saying goodbye. Cześć. You can also say na razie, which means see you later. Na razie. If you want to be a little bit more formal or polite, you can say do widzenia, which means goodbye. Do widzenia. And if it's the evening, you can say dobranoc, which means good night. Dobranoc. Okay, let's move on to saying thank you and you're welcome. So thank you in Polish is dziękuję. Dziękuję. And the short version of that, which is thanks, is dzięki. Dzięki. You can also say thank you very much, which is dziękuję bardzo. Dziękuję bardzo. The next one, proszę, means please, but it also means you're welcome. So it's something that you can, if somebody says dziękuję, you can reply proszę, which means thank you, you're welcome. Proszę. You can also say proszę bardzo, which means you're very welcome. Proszę bardzo. Okay, now it's time to introduce yourself. So to say your name, you can simply say jestem, which means I am or my name is. Jestem Agnieszka. I'm Agnieszka. My name is Agnieszka. Jestem Agnieszka. You can also say mam na imię Agnieszka, which means my name is Agnieszka. Mam na imię Agnieszka. To ask somebody what their name is, you need to say jak masz na imię? Jak masz na imię? Okay, once you've introduced yourself and the other person has also introduced themselves, you can say miło mi, which means nice to meet you. Miło mi. Or the longer version of that is miło mi cię poznać. Miło mi cię poznać, which literally means it is nice to meet you. Okay, the next one is a question and it is co to jest, which means what's this, what's that. Co to jest? It's a question that you will need a lot. Co to jest? And if you're asking about people, you need to say kto to jest? Who's that? Kto to jest? So for example, if you're meeting somebody new, you're being introduced and then there's another person, you can ask kto to jest? Who is that? Then if you want to explain what something is or who somebody is, you need to say to jest. And you can say that both about objects and people. To jest. For example, to jest Agnieszka. That's Agnieszka. This is Agnieszka. Or to jest moja książka. This is my book. Okay, another phrase that you will probably need a lot, especially if you're a beginner in Polish, is I don't understand, which is nie rozumiem. Nie rozumiem. You can also say proszę, which means pardon me, when you want somebody to repeat, for example. Proszę. You can also ask czy możesz powtórzyć? Can you repeat? Czy możesz powtórzyć? The next one on a similar note is I don't speak Polish. Nie mówię po polsku. Nie mówię po polsku. Or you can say mówię trochę po polsku. I speak a little bit of Polish. Mówię trochę po polsku. Then the next one is when you want to apologize, you need to say przepraszam. Przepraszam. It means I'm sorry, but it also means excuse me. So if you want to say something to somebody on the street or to your teacher, you can say przepraszam, excuse me. Or if you need to apologize, you use the same word, przepraszam, I'm sorry. And then the final one is nie ma sprawy, which means no problem, you're welcome. Nie ma sprawy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these 25 top Polish phrases. Let me know in the comments below what else you would like to learn in Polish, and I will make sure that I make a video about it. And I'll see you next time. Bye!